Hello, this is Saurabh from GeoTechnosoft. You should watch this video if you are using Odoo in your business, or maybe you are a Odoo consultant or Odoo partner or Odoo developer. You should watch this video because today I'm going to talk about one very common feature which every business required, and we have designed a module to fulfill that requirement. That feature which I'm talking about is a group company concept, so many of your customers, your customer, I'm talking about your customer. For example, future group is a group company having 5-6 child company inside that future group, like Big Bazaar, Pantaloons, Centrals. There are many companies inside the future group. The future group is a group company which have many child companies, and you do business with all these child companies as well as with the group company. So what happened? So let's say you did a deal with a company called Big Bazaar, which is a part of Future Group, and you maintain a separate partner ledger for all the child company. And whenever you want to see the partner ledger of your Future Group, the parent company, you should consolidate all the ledger and give you a single report. So when you see a ledger for parent company, it should consolidate all the ledger of the child company associated with that parent company. And if you want to see just a ledger of child company, you should see the ledger of that child company. So this is what this module enables. So you can basically create a group company. Inside that group company, you can uh, create, add or map the child companies. Not only for your customer, you can do the same with your vendors. Uh, Second important requirement was, many time it happens, many of my customers give this requirement. So they receive a payment from one company of that group, and they want to reconcile that payment with different invoice from the same group. So this particular module enables that feature also. So if you receive a check from Future Group, you can reconcile the invoice of Big Bazaar or Pantaloon. Or maybe if you receive a payment from Big Bazaar, you can also reconcile the invoice of Pantaloon. So this particular feature, this particular modules enable you these features. If you are interested to get this module, you can go in the description. You can see there is a description area where I have shared the link from which you can purchase this module. Or you can also contact us to get this module, or for any further enhancement in this module, definitely we can customize for you. You have all the details on the screen. You can get in touch with us if required. Thank you.